Welcome to Teanglann.ie. In this video, you'll get information on how to use the Grammar Wizard. The Grammar Wizard is an automatic tool that combines prepositions, nouns and adjectives in accordance with the rules of Irish grammar. Nouns and adjectives may be combined, prepositions and nouns, or prepositions, nouns and adjectives. Let's start with a noun and an adjective. Choose that pattern, choose a noun in the first box and an adjective in the second. In this instance, you'll get grammatical information for Madra more in the singular and plural and in the nominative and genitive. To combine a preposition and a noun, choose that pattern in the top box. Then choose a preposition in the first box and a noun in the second. Here, and Madra are combined in the singular and plural and in both the central system and the lenition system. To combine a preposition, a noun and an adjective, choose that pattern, then choose a preposition, a noun and an adjective in the corresponding boxes. In this case, we'll stick with Madra more. The information will then appear on the screen for you. Again, the singular and plural are there and both the central and lenition systems are recognised. The words don't even have to make sense when combined. Let's look at do, technolíocht and cardúil for example. The magic works in any case. As always, if you'd like to contact us or give feedback, you can reach us at asholasado@Foclóirí.ie.